Hey everyone, it's Justin Trevor Winters and welcome back to 60-Second Script School. So, did you figure out the title of your TV show? Hopefully you did and you love it. But if not, keep working on it. It'll come to you. Today we're going to be talking about the pitch, or the verbal presentation of your concept. From this point forward, I want you to be pitching someone every single day. Literally anyone or everyone who will listen. This is going to help you flesh out your story and really teach you what's working, but more importantly, what isn't working. If people's eyes glaze over with boredom while you're pitching them, you know you're not captivating them. If they ask you, and then what happens? And then what happens? You know that you're engaging them. So let's get into the art of pitching. 60 seconds on the clock, hit it. I want you to focus on the 3-minute pitch, something you can utilize with friends at social gatherings and parties. Here's what you should include. First, give us the title and then set the stage. Is it a half hour or is it a 1 hour? What is the genre, time period, and where does it take place? Once the stage is set, start us with a killer teaser. It could be a joke or a provocative question. Engage the listener. If you're pitching a comedy, make us laugh. If you're pitching an edgy action thriller, raise our heart rates. Don't try and tell us the entire story. Give us the log line and a few additional sentences. The biggest mistake that most writers make is trying to cram the entire plot into 3 minutes. And don't give us a laundry list of characters. Focus on your hero and what he or she is going up against. Give us the theme or bigger picture and end your pitch with a cliffhanger so that it leaves us asking what happens next. Make sure you make eye contact with everyone. Share your passion and tell us why you were born to tell this story. Lastly, time yourself and practice, practice, practice. So that's it. That's pitching. Easy, right? Seriously though, I want you pitching every single day. Pitching is a part of your calling card. It shows that you can generate ideas, create characters, and tell a story. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and pitch. Your future depends on it.